It's Adrian back again to do another video today on how to use and search Webtalk for people in your niche. Now, what your niche is, it could be affiliate marketing, it could be MLM, it could be network marketing, it could be health and wellness, it could be some form of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, it could be CBD industry. So let's get on with today's video. Let's move over to Webtalk. What Webtalk is, guys, it's a social network or social media network. Still in beta. It's been around now 18 months. A lot of people know about it, a lot of people don't. This is a great place to network your business, brand yourself, and a hell of a lot more. Let me just log in. The internet might be running a bit slow, but here we are. I have a profile on this, guys. I'll go to my profile. Got a notification up in the corner. See what this notification is. Nothing major. Just hide that notification. This is my profile. See my name here, my picture, got a quote here, never give up. I live in Northampton, which is in the United Kingdom. It's a little town. Was born in London. You probably can tell by my accent. This is my profile on Webtalk. But what this video was about today was searching this bar at the top, guys. This is the search bar here. And like I said, if I wanted to look for people in my niche, which is affiliate marketing, I would just go affiliate marketing. What I would do is I would find these people and follow at least 5, maybe 10, up to about 20, 25 people. So I'd follow a couple in this. Let me just find 5 people in affiliate marketing. It might take some time. So a lot of these are already my friends, or that I'm following a lot of these people already, so this could take a few minutes, guys. You'll have to bear with me. Yeah, I do have a lot of these already as my friends, which is rather annoying and time consuming. Here we are. We found one, Romana McDonald. Let's give her a follow. We have got Kelly Jean Conya, follow. Just 3 more, guys, and I'll move on to the next one. But this is how you do it. This is how, see, this one I wouldn't follow because no avatar, it's not a real person. Patrick Clark, give him a follow. Miss Shah, again, not a real photo. Who's there tour, give him a follow. One more. Let's find one more. Can be annoying because like I said, I've followed so many people on affiliate marketing. But this is pretty straightforward video, guys. This is how you search people in your industry or your niche. There's another one I'll follow. Just close this off. Come back to Webtalk. So if I wanted to use the search bar again and let's go network marketing this time. It'll all be people in the network marketing industry again. You'll see the names come up and it shows you what they do. Network marketing, trading, investment at Mind Capital. Again, I'm friends with a lot of these. But if you scroll down, you'll see the ones that I haven't followed, and it's so easy to follow new people. Darren Fernith, again, there you go. Network marketing professional at Success Solutions. Just giving him a follow. Nomsa Thebe, again, follow. You follow 15 to 20 people from different niches every day, guys, and you'll build up such a rapport and such much. Well, so when you post something, you'll be getting a lot more engagement. If you have the patience to do this every day, Jose Martinez, again, there's another one. I can unfollow some of these later because this is not what I'm into, network marketing, so I should unfollow these later. Again, no avatar. If your avatar isn't of a person, I don't follow people, guys, so because I think that should be the first thing you set up when you're on any social network. A picture of yourself, because people need to see that you're real. In all my YouTube videos I'm totally transparent and honest with you guys. See, I like this person, Francis Ober, network marketing and networking. That person, I'll give that person a follow. And that's how you use the search bar, guys. You can search CEO, plumber, designer, CPA, quick searches. That way, look, CEO, sorry. Go right to the top. And again, they're very easy to follow. And you just want to find someone that follow, or you can message them straight away, but I find it rude to message them straight away. Follow them first, and then that way, if they have a look at your profile and they follow you back, that's when you can start building your engagement with people. But that was today's video, guys. That's how to use the Webtalk search bar to look for your specific niche or industry, whether that is affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, health and wellness, any form of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. I know there's several types of cryptocurrency and there's many others. So that was the video for today, guys. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, you come back to my channel and subscribe, and also click the notification bell in the right hand corner on my channel and go and check out a lot more of my videos, guys. That will be very much appreciated. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. Wherever you are in the world, have an amazing weekend, and we'll be back with more great content soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.